Alright, hi guys. I'm back with another video. So, I'm going to be testing out this crown palette. Well, not testing it out, I'm going to be swatching because I'm on a time limit. I'm trying to get over 10 different palettes swatched for you guys. So, we are going to just dive right in. This was given to me in the BoxyCharm. So, I do not remember how much this actually retailed for. But I'm pretty sure you guys can look it up and it'll pop right up. This is the Crown Pro palette. And so I'm going to start with this shade right here. This is how the palette looks. This palette was featured in My Mom Does My Makeup. This is the palette that she ended up using. I'm not really into a whole bunch of naturals, but this is what we are working with today. So, kind of like what I did with the Jeffree Star palette. If that video isn't up already, you probably don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But yeah, we're going to do 3 and then 2 swatches. So this is all from the first row. Very pretty. I love this shade right here. That is so pretty. 2 shades. Right here. And right here. Wow. This one. That one though. And it still has enough for another swatch. Like, work. That's amazing. I love that. And I feel like this video is going to be super short, which is exactly what I wanted. Yes, finally a short video, right? Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom 3. There we go. I'm going to swatch it right here. That is nice. These are really pretty. Like I said, I'm not really into like neutral eyes and all this stuff, but it doesn't mean I don't like this palette. Then here and here, the last 2 brown shades, they look really stunning. Little kickback, but yeah, we even have enough for a second. So here are the last 2 shades. And then I just swatched some more right here because I still have some left over on my finger. But these 2 and these 2 are the exact same. So those are swatches from the Crown Pro palette, or the Pro Crown palette. I don't know. So that's that. I got it in my BoxyCharm. Like I said, you can probably look it up and see how much it retails for. But so far, I think the formula is really amazing. The shadows are pretty buttery too. They're not like harsh or gritty, and they blend really nicely. So yeah, and they swatch really pretty too. So there's a review on that. So let me know. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.